There it is, folks. Showed up, surprisingly enough, while I was editing the last video. Let's see what we got here. 550916T, Terminator X. Cool. All this stuff makes no sense to me. You know, turn those upside down. We got 99, yep. Yeah, 99 use only. Yep. I see that. That works great. All this here, Terminator X Max, LS6, transistor control, self-learning, and a USB cable. So, all this kind of BS, right? So, yeah, I was actually quite surprised. I was editing the video, and all of a sudden my mom showed up in my house. She's like, "Hey, did you know that this box is on your step?" And I was like, "It wasn't there 10 minutes ago when I got home." So, anyways, let's open it up and see what we got inside. I cut the stuff already, but I haven't really opened it up and looked at it, so. Alright, we've got, what's this? It looks like the main harness. Oh geez, everything's all weather pack connectors. Got everything's all nice and labeled. Okay. Move this box down the line here. This here is for my transmission. I know that by that plug there. This is, what is this here? Oh, that's my VSS. Okay, so this goes into the transfer case. Cool. And that is turbine speed. I think that's for a 4L80E. So when we blow this transmission, I can put a 4L80E in, not change any wiring. It'll just all plug in, okay? And then just tell the computer or whatever what it is. That is smart. I like that. Here we've got, looks like the coil, or no, this would be the injector stuff for the EV1s, I believe. I think that's what we're running in here. Comment down below, guys. What is the stock LM7 injector? It's an EV1, right? Pretty sure those are EV1s in there. So, all right, let's get back to the box. See what we got here. Yeah, got my tomato juice. We've got. This looks like the main power harness here, honestly, guys. Looks like main system power. Connect directly to battery terminals. So that would be your main power. It'd probably be for fuel pump or something, I'm guessing. I have no idea. This is the USB. Sweet. So this hooks up to my laptop. As you guys know, I didn't get the touch screen. We've got this. I'm not sure what it is. You guys probably do. But we'll find out because I'm going to be reading the book here. This guy here is the wideband. I know what that is. Dude, that's going to run to the cab. Okay, I'm going to have to figure out where we're going to cut the hole then to bring this through. Maybe we will do it on this side. Maybe we will do it down through here. We'll drill a hole and run all the wiring through there instead of over here like I was going to do it. But we'll see. Once the rest of the parts come, I'm going to be laying this out onto the motor and we're going to find out where it goes. But today we're just unboxing it and just taking a look at everything here. This here, I'm guessing is for my ins and outs, like for my fans, AC, and fuel level. So, I don't know. You guys comment down below. Tell me. You guys would know more about that. I know that the dash I'm getting will run the fuel level stuff. So, which is awesome. This here, weld-in bung. And some vacuum ports, it looks like. We've got the book. So this must be... Let me move that over here for now. We'll take the book out. No stickers? I was hoping there'd be a decal or something. Let's put that there for now. The book I'll set here. Actually, I'm going to set it over here because I'm going to, we're going to check that out after. So, yeah, this is one long clip, guys. Sorry about that, but what's in here? This is the computer. I already cut it, but I didn't open it. Ugh. Hey, there we go. Alright. Cool, cool. Well, this will probably go on my laptop, I'm guessing. Because I don't know where I'd put it under the hood here. You know, like, I don't know where it would go under the hood. Over here, maybe? Or like there? I don't know. Comment down below, guys. What do you think? Or whatever you think. Cool, cool. Otherwise, it's going to go on my laptop. So this, let's check this out. This is, you can probably hear the geese flying overhead. Living in Canada, right? Actually, you know what? Let's go check it, see if we can see them. Holy, look at them all, guys. They're going the wrong way, though. They're going north. Welcome to life in Canada. All right. Let's go back and finish checking this out. Yeah, I couldn't resist. As soon as I heard them, I was just like, oh, murder chickens. That's what we call them up here, murder cobras or murder chickens. That also brings me to a point. Why did the Americans use the eagle as their bird? Why not the turkey? Them things are flippin' dangerous and they're psycho. You know what I mean? That's a bird right there. Okay, so that's where I'm guessing this just plugs into here. We got a vacuum port for something, I guess. And all the LEDs. Huh. So that's it, guys. Where can I mount that? Right at the back there. Right over here. Literally, I could mount it over here. Right? And then the only thing that goes through is for the gauges. So, this is nice. It's light. It's plastic though, so I kind of don't want to mount it under the hood. I'd rather mount it in the cab. Like I was thinking, I don't know if you guys will be able to see down there under here. You know what I mean? So, yeah. That's the unboxing of the Holly. I'm glad it came. Now, hopefully, the ICT build part will come. It's in the city, so it's like it's been half hour away for the last 2-3 days, so it should be here by the end of the week for me. And I filmed this for you guys like a couple days before, so yeah, this is Monday's video. Probably by the time you're seeing this, I'll have the part, and then I can put the throttle body on, get the piece for the cables, hook the cables all up, find out where all that geometry is heading, and then we can put all this in, guys. Look at that, there's your thumbnail right there. Boom. So, yeah. Then we can put all this stuff in. The dash should be here tomorrow for me, which will be Friday as well. And then we're going to go to the record yard and pull out the factory harness again for this thing. I might not actually need to. I might be able to use the shit one that they made, that they screwed up. I just have to go through, check everything. I'm going to just fucking hide it all up, tape it all up. If anything, because I might be able to use it. Just so I can find one, right? Because they did cut, like I said, they did cut the VSS. They cut all that shit, right? But I don't need the VSS, I guess, anymore. Because the new shit runs it. I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me I'm wrong. But that's where I'm going to end it, guys. This is already 10 minutes long. Thank you so much for all the love, support. I'm glad. I am just so awesome. with, or not, I'm not awesome. I'm just so happy that everything is going so awesomely, is what I meant to say. But I'm just over the moon excited that we got that right there, boys and girls. Maybe that'll be your thumbnail right there. So I'm stoked. What do you guys think? Comment down below. I'd love to hear it. Next is the dash. That's what I'm waiting for. The dash and that piece for my CT billet. So those will be, we'll do unboxing and some stuff on that stuff before we do like an install video. So you guys do got a couple weeks to wait. I hope I don't, but I might have a few. I might be waiting just as long because post, right? So, but anyways, guys, till next time, take care of yourselves out there. Love you. God bless you. Thanks for everything. I'm gonna go read the book now and see you guys next video.